Hello and welcome to my look at Global Prime. Global Prime is an Australian brokerage firm, so as such, it is under the auspices of the ASIC, the Australian Security and Investment. They are right along the lines of like the CFTC, the FCA, and some of the other major players out there when it comes to brokerage regulation. So Global Prime obviously is well capitalized, well regulated. It is a company that was based upon people who came in as traders, then were asked to expand the offerings. They were originally using Global Prime as a liquidity provider. And that's why you see like institutional section. Now we won't focus that on that here because this is a completely different part of the company. But you can see that retail traders have the option of MetaTrader ecosystem and even auto trade through MyFX book. They do offer Forex, CFDs, cryptocurrencies. Let's take a look at the account, and that's quite simple to do. The account offers 1 to 100 leverage or 1 to 200 depending on approval. Commission is $7 per 100,000 round turn. Minimum deposit is 200 Aussie dollars. And you have plenty of account-based currencies you can choose from. It's pretty straightforward. You can fund through a multitude of different ways. And one of the really nice things about Global Prime is they don't charge any fees. This is all zero fee stuff here. So NetTeller, MasterCard, Visa, BPay, bank wires, Poly. Now, on the way back, you may incur some charges for bank wires if they cross international lines. It's not a whole lot they can do about that. That's going to be on your end, but do be aware of that. So we can take a look at spreads here, and it actually has a live spread chart that'll show you exactly what's going on. You can see these are really tight spreads. Aussie yen at 0.6 of a pip. And I would also point out this is being recorded during Asian trading, so it's not even the most liquid time of the day, so that's pretty impressive. CFDs, you can see that they've got indices as far as CFDs and crude oil. The spot metals market is included in Forex, so that'd be dollar against silver and gold, as you would expect. And then they do have crypto, which, as you can see, spread varies quite drastically from instrument to instrument, but you do have that ability there. The educational system here, it's more or less going to be blog type things. It will be situations where you probably are going to need to know how to trade coming in. There are some interesting market insights. The Daily Edge is interesting. It shows you where we're strengthening and weakening in various markets. So that gives you a little bit of a heads up. Quite frankly, though, pretty straightforward account. This is, if you already know how to trade and you know what you're doing, this is an excellent place to find liquidity at very cheap rock bottom spreads.